When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing.
It was an amazing first year for Digicel Stars Tonga. Over 2,000 people registered in hopes of becoming the kingdom's brightest star. In May, we started auditions that took us to all 4 island groups in Tonga. On the main island, we also had roadshow auditions in the rural villages.
Hopelessly devoted.
Our judges cut a list of 100 strong down to 24 for the elimination rounds.
I made it!
Our stars received coaching from the judges on voice and stage presence.
Remember, no crotch grabbing though.
Professionals assisted our stars with hair, makeup, and wardrobe.
Jesus, take the wheel.
After the training, our stars hit the stage to strut their stuff in front of a live audience. Our judges, Jack Burke, Finau Afiaki, and Joey Mateele, are all renowned professionals in their music fields. They provided entertaining and constructive feedback.
Don't wear pink. If Celine Dion was here, honey, you have a competition.
This is what the competition Digicel Stars is all about.
Our stars also ventured out into the community. They performed for kids at the local hospital.
61,001 votes.
Over the course of the program, there were over 900,000 texts received. 40,000 of those texts came internationally. Those numbers are amazing considering the country has only 100,000 people. Those fan votes determined our top 3. Mele Nikua,
I can get away the pain.
Filippo Leimoto,
You're the best for some time.
Jessica Makweta Afa,
Stand by your man and show the world you love him.
On October 1st, Digicel Stars hosted a block party. This was a chance to thank our sponsors and for our top 2 to perform before 10,000 people, showing why they should be Tonga's Digicel Star.
Here we are, Tonga. Your top 2 for Digicel Stars.
400,000 votes were cast for the final to determine the winner.
Filippo Leimoto.
Filippo will be the first Digicel Star to represent the Pacific. He will be a special guest artist at Trinidad and Tobago's final show on October 25th. Digicel Stars is providing never-before-seen opportunities in Tonga, giving the stars of the kingdom a chance to make their musical dreams come true.
When I